It is a gorgeous day here in Florida. It's 67 degrees, sunny, not much of a breeze, if any, and it's really, really nice. I wish it was like this all year round. Taking the dogs. This is a new dog park for them. Well, not new, but we seldom come to this dog park. I like it because it has a walking path. And while they're sniffing around and doing their thing, I can get in a mile walk. 3 laps around and it's a mile. So good for the doggies, good for me. This is the thing about living in Florida, that it's typically so hot that, for me anyway, I can't stand the humidity. And consequently, I don't get in a lot of exercise unless it's indoors in the hot weather. And I love to be outdoors. So, looking forward to many more of these days where I can be outside